Hey guys! So, I don't know if I'm restarting this, I have to do something. I'm just putting foundation. I put a little bit lighter shade in it to mix it up because I didn't want it to be like my shade. I want it to be a little bit brighter. Like whiter. I don't know. But anyways, I'm YOLOing this makeup tutorial thing. I don't know. I just got this James Charles palette. And yeah, I got it like a month or two ago, I don't know. And I've only been using like the normal colors on it, the basics, but I really want to experiment with the cool colors, like this whole, like I feel like it's the whole point of having the palette. And I have not done that, and I normally don't do it, and I think it's gonna be really fun seeing it, especially on like brown skin. So yeah. Just putting foundation. I just sprayed my Mario Badescu spray at the beginning before this step. And yeah. Look at that. I might just skip through a lot of this basic because this is just like the foundation of the makeup. The whole look is just going to be the Scarecrow, the main part. So I don't think I'm going to do like bright and under eye or anything. I just feel like that's unnecessary for this look. And so let's see, what shall we do next? I have no idea how I'm going about this, so this is going to be fun. I like feeling my mind is blanking right now. Okay, so normally my eyebrows are really bothering me, so fix those real quick. Okay, I might just use a little bit of concealer to brighten it up because it's like killing me not to. So, where is it? Where are you? You're right here. There we go. I use my Be Bright Illuminating Concealer by Kokie Professional. I love this, besides the Tarte one. Obviously, the Tarte one's amazing. But I got this in my Ipsy bag, you guys, and I literally love it so much. I usually put it on my nose and stuff, but no, not today. Not today. Bright, bright, bright. Brighten it up. I feel like this like Scarecrow thing is like really cute as well. It's not just like creepy or scary, it's cute. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for my lips because I was hoping I need to get black lipstick. I don't have black lipstick, but I really need it, especially during like Halloween time. And yeah, I remember in the previous years I always used like black liner that I use on her eyes, but I don't think I even have any of that. So we'll just go with the flow, you know. It is what it is. And then I'm just gonna set these two things with some powder, Maybelline Fit Me powder. I don't think this is a good step right here, powdering, but we'll just see how it goes. Alrighty. And I definitely want to bronze, sculpt that face. So I'm using my Morphe one, also from my Ipsy bag. These are like the good products. Like I love like this Morphe one, like amazing. To me it seems really amazing, so this is one of my good ones. I would bronze pretty heavily for this look. I don't know, I just feel like it deserves a contour as F. Like a heavy contour. Contour. I'll also be doing a devil makeup routine, I think. It depends, but because having a Halloween party and I'm being a devil this Saturday, and I don't know if I'm gonna get to film it or not, but I'm really excited to do that. It's very basic, I know, but I wanted to do it with my friend. Like, she's gonna be the angel, I'm gonna be the devil. Stay hydrated. Remember that. Stay hydrated. Okay, now that that's done, I'll pop on highlighter. This is like a pretty bright one, which is why I want to use it. I just feel like this deserves a very bright look. Like the entire thing. Like, look at that pop-in everywhere. I went pretty high on the nose, but that's okay because I think this needs, oh my gosh, look at that, would you now? Okay, okay. I see you, girl. I see you. I just wish I had a straw hat at the end, but I don't. Sad. Okay. Okay, I think I want to start getting into the eye stuff now. Let's see which one's brighter. It might be bright. No. Shape Tape concealer, because that's my brightest one I have, but we'll just give this a go. This is the same foundation. And actually, I got a contour brush that I gave 1 out of 5 on my Ipsy bag, but we're gonna use it. Do I usually? I'm thinking. Should I even use a brush? Okay. Oh yeah. I was like thinking, should I use a brush for this? And I was trying to think back to like those Instagram makeup tutorials to see if they do, and they do. I just remembered. They most definitely do use one. Probably not one as big as the one I have right now, but that's okay. Look at that. That is like yellow. Imagine that on my skin tone all over my face. That is a big no. I feel like I'm drawing one of those like clown memes. Oh, I should do that. When you're being a clown and then pretend you're getting, I'm pretty sure people already done that actually. Never mind. I feel like I'm going crazy, like I'm talking to myself. That's how YouTubers be. Okay. For now, I think that's good enough. Super bright. Okay. 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 Got that right there. I'll be using that. And flat brush. Let's see which flat brush would I like to use. I think back to basics, I'll use this e.l.f. one. Okay. So we're gonna try out the palette. Oops. Like a bright color in it, and the bright color we're gonna be doing is orange. I'm gonna be doing this one. The brighter one, like that's the lighter, that's the bright one. And that's what we're trying out. YOLO this. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go around with the black color, which is called Spooky, in the same palette, and then I'm gonna come back with the orange to make it pop more. And that is what's happening. Ooh, so scary putting black on, because you just don't know what you're doing. Like, this is going crazy. Go crazy. Go wild. Like, Like, can I? So I actually don't have anything to fill my eyebrows with because I like never do, and the dip brow thing that I do use is at like home because my mom uses it. So that's gonna stay like that. I was gonna do fake lashes because I think that's gonna be way more popped out, but I just don't know if it's like worth it for me to do it right now, you know? Is it worth it? Those are my nice ones. Trying to find my pod of liquid black liner that I got from Ipsy because I don't use that type, and that would have been really nice to use instead of wasting the one I actually like to use. But it seems as though I can't find it. No idea where it could be. So yeah, we will continue with what we're doing. I'll just put that on, back to this palette. It's still like, I need like, I don't know, different concealer, but it is so hard for the orange to show on my skin, like extremely hard. You need like 2 types of concealers. I'm gonna put a little bit up here. I think when I show at the end in different lighting, it would look a lot better than what y'all see right now, you know? Back to eyeliner, where are you? Back to your magic. Okay, wait, what was this? Oh, that was very nice. Maybelline in New York. I never use this eyeliner, so let's use that instead for what I need. Probably from Ipsy, I don't doubt it. This is perfect. The fact that it shows on my face is absolutely amazing. Like, this was worth it at this point. I totally thought I pressed play, but I just added the lashes and freckles, which I used the same black liner, just dabbed it on. So this is the final look. I just need a flannel, but I don't have one right now. I don't know where it is. But yeah. Obviously lip color would be more perfect if it was black. I just don't have black lipstick. And yeah, did my best. The orange is really hard to show on my eyes. But it is what it is, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, especially the cheeks. Like, I'm in love. And yeah, so this is it. It was fun. I had fun making it. This is a lot of fun. I was so confused. I'm like, what should I do next? But this is what I came up with, and clearly it's not the best, but I think it's just like about having fun. That's what really matters. Having fun while, you know, doing your makeup, doing something different, and it's Spooktober, so when's the time? Now. So go for it. Like, I would totally wear this to a haunted house. I did that last year. It was a way simpler look, but totally would wear this to a haunted house if I was going. Or just like a corn maze. Oh, corn maze would be perfect. Anyways, this is a really long video, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, subscribe.